Hello and welcome. In this video, I will walk you through the steps to add a new member to your school on our platform. First, log into your account. Go to your profile picture in the top right corner, then click on Settings. Next, navigate to the Members section and click on Add. Select the proper role from the drop-down menu or start typing in the search bar to quickly find the role that you're looking for. Choose the right role for the member to ensure they have access to the tools they need. Fill out the form. Remember, the email field is unique, so you can't have more than one user with the same email address. Once the member is added, they will receive an email confirming their registration on the platform. New members can set their password once they log into the platform. Thank you for watching. This is just one of our many how-to tutorials. Be sure to check out our next video. See you next time!